The SpaceX Dragon capsule splashed down like a fiery meteor returning from the heavens, a spectacular sight to behold. Crew 8, weary but exhilarated, emerged after their 6-month mission aboard the International Space Station, their faces reflecting both relief and triumph. Celebrations erupted at Mission Control, a testament to human ingenuity and courage, as the team cheered for the safe return of their colleagues. But 2 astronauts, Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore, watched from afar, their hearts heavy with the longing to return. They remained on the ISS, their own journey home delayed, continuing their work in the vast expanse of space. Their story was one of unexpected turns, resilience, and the unwavering spirit of exploration, embodying the essence of human perseverance. Williams and Wilmore had blasted off months earlier, filled with the anticipation of a historic mission, their hearts racing with excitement. They were to be the first astronauts to ride Boeing's Starliner capsule, ushering in a new era of spaceflight, a milestone in space exploration. Their destination, the orbiting laboratory known as the ISS, a symbol of international collaboration and scientific endeavor, a beacon of hope and progress. Little did they know, their journey would take an unforeseen detour, testing their mettle and revealing the unpredictable nature of space travel, a true testament to their bravery and determination. The Starliner launch had been flawless, a sight to behold as it pierced through the night sky. It was a testament to years of meticulous engineering and relentless preparation, a culmination of countless hours of hard work. But during their ascent, an unexpected problem arose, casting a shadow over their mission. Sensors detected a critical leak, with precious fuel escaping rapidly into the unforgiving vacuum of space. Mission Control, analyzing data at a frantic pace, made the difficult call the Starliner would not proceed to the ISS as planned. Instead, it would remain in a lower orbit, its mission abruptly cut short, altering the course of their journey. Disappointment washed over Williams and Wilmore, their dreams momentarily dashed. They understood the inherent risks of spaceflight, the delicate balance between ambition and safety that every astronaut must navigate. Yet, the desire to contribute to humanity's understanding of the cosmos burned brightly within them, undeterred by setbacks. Their rigorous training had instilled in them the ability to adapt, to find opportunity amidst challenges and adversity. And so they embraced their unexpected situation, transforming disappointment into a chance to make the most of their time in orbit, turning a setback into a new opportunity for discovery. The ISS became their temporary home, a marvel of engineering orbiting 250 miles above Earth, circling our planet every 90 minutes. They joined the Expedition 69 crew, a diverse group of astronauts united by their passion for exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. Days were filled with a blend of science and wonder as they conducted groundbreaking research. Williams, a veteran astronaut, guided experiments studying the effects of microgravity on the human body, hoping to unlock secrets that could benefit humanity. Her work could one day pave the way for longer duration missions, pushing the boundaries of human endurance and resilience. Wilmore, an engineer at heart, focused on maintaining the station's intricate systems, ensuring its continued operation as a platform for scientific discovery and innovation. He marveled at the station's solar arrays, massive wings collecting sunlight and transforming it into energy that powered their extraordinary home, a beacon of human ingenuity. In their precious free time, they would gather by the cupola, a panoramic observatory offering breathtaking views of Earth, a reminder of their distant home. Swirls of clouds, continents painted in hues of green and brown, the shimmering blue of the oceans. The fragility and interconnectedness of our planet was never more apparent, a sight that inspired awe and reflection. Weeks turned into months. The initial disappointment of their curtailed mission gave way to a quiet determination. They embraced the unexpected opportunity to contribute to a longer duration mission, their presence aboard the ISS proving invaluable. Their resilience, their ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity, embodied the very essence of exploration. They conducted spacewalks, venturing outside the station's protective shell to perform vital repairs. Tethered to the ISS by a thin lifeline, they floated in the abyss, the Earth a breathtaking sphere below them. They participated in educational outreach, connecting with students across the globe igniting within them a spark of curiosity and a passion for STEM fields. And through it all, they documented their experiences, sharing their unique perspective with the world through stunning photographs and heartfelt messages.